Windows 10 deletes files without confirming as the default behavior. In other words, if you delete a file, there's no confirmation dialog. This can wreak havoc if you accidentally press delete, which makes it possible for your files to end up in the recycling bin without your even knowing it. Here are some sample files, and when I select on one of them and press delete on my keyboard, you'll see that the file just goes straight to the recycling bin without a confirmation dialog. I'll show you how to work around this challenge. Let's configure Windows 10 to ask for confirmation before deleting. On your desktop, right-click on your recycling bin. Then click on Properties. Now check the box that says Display Delete Confirmation dialog right here. And at this point, go ahead and click OK. Let's make sure it's working properly. We'll go ahead and select another file, and then I'll press the Delete key. Now when I select a file and press the Delete key, Windows 10 double checks that I really meant to perform the delete. I'll go ahead and click Yes, and you're done. I hope you've benefited from today's gift. If you found this video useful, please feel free to share it with family, friends, and colleagues. Bye for now.
We'd like to thank our sponsor of this video, G.I.F.T 24K Perfume. The unforgettable golden fragrance reawakens your sense of endless love. Learn more about G.I.F.T 24K in the description down below. Use the discount code provided and a generous donation will be made to our foundation. G.I.F.T 24K Perfume, with pure 24-karat gold flecks suspended in the bottle. The fragrance of passion and romance. G.I.F.T 24K.